Opposition representatives noted at a media briefing convened today that they would exert pressure to ensure the no-confidence motion against the Prime Minister is taken up for debate in Parliament.
The no-confidence motion against Ranil Wickremesinghe has been submitted, but it is yet to be included in the agenda. As per Parliament operations, it takes about 5 to 6 days to be included in the agenda. The UPFA group meeting will be held tomorrow under the auspices of His Excellency the President. We will hold extensive discussions tomorrow on the no-confidence motion, the 20th Amendment and the time frame in which this will be presented. They're talking about impeachments and breach of trust. Look at the faces of the people who are talking. A group of political frogs who jump to and fro are talking about a no-confidence motion today. Various persons who are nourished through the casino and drug business are using various conspiracies today to try and defeat this government, depriving the people of the opportunity for good governance that was voted for by 6.2 million people. Are we going to let these political animals from a bygone era take power of government in this country once again? The people must decide. While 112 of the 125 MPs have signed the motion, it must be stated that 2 of the MPs who signed are in hospital. Another 2 are in remand custody and their signatures were not obtained. No MP can say that their signatures were forged. No one can say that signatures were forged. Powerful characters in the government are calling up certain MPs. They are promising ministerial positions and are asking them to withdraw via an affidavit. An MP from the Puttalam district has been imposed upon and is being told that he will be given a ministerial position and a nomination. If they think that we cannot do this, then all we can do is take the sword and set a date for the battle. Whether it is 108, 112 or even 20 signatures, that is enough for the no-confidence motion. Instead of squabbling over how many signatures there are, immediately hold a debate on the no-confidence motion and we will show you how to send the Prime Minister home. They are not allowing for the 3 civil representatives to be appointed to the Constitutional Council. Mahinda is not allowing something positive to be done. He did not do it and he is not allowing the people who are willing to do it either. Like the dog in the manger that does not eat hay but does not allow others to eat hay either. This is what has happened. This agenda has been operated from the Abhay Ramaya. There is no need to put up stages when going to temple, is there?